Hi all, today we are discussing a small topic on the subject energy conservation and management. Already we are discussing sixth module and it is the second part of my presentation. Today's topic is discount rate. We have discussed the syllabus and discount rate, also known as rate of return, and it is the amount that we receive after cost of initial investment calculated in form of percentage. That is, for energy economics, which is discussed in our previous class, require a lot of investment for conservation of energy. That investment may be modification of equipment or adoption of new technology. For that we are giving some investment into the company, and discount rate is nothing but it's a measure of that investment, how that return to us, and with the help of discount rate we can find if whether the company is making profit or loss. We can see that when the percentage is positive value, that shows if the industry is making profit. If the value is negative, then definitely the company is going loss. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ കമ്പനിയിൽ എനർജി എക്കണോമിക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കാര്യം ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് കുറേ എമൗണ്ട് ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വേണ്ടി വരും. അത് മെയിൻലി മോഡിഫിക്കേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ന്യൂ ടെക്നോളജി അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടോ ആയിരിക്കും. അങ്ങനെ എനർജി കൺസർവേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഈ മെത്തേഡ് കൊണ്ട് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസിന് വലിയൊരു ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻ്റ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്, അഥവാ ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് കമ്പനി തിരിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളൊരു മെത്തേഡാണ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് റേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് റേറ്റ് പോസിറ്റീവ് വാല്യൂ ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് വാല്യൂ ആണ് ഈ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് റേറ്റ്. അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഗെയിനും നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ലോസും ആണ് കാണിക്കുക. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഈസ് വെരി യൂസ്ഫുൾ ടു ഡിറ്റർമിൻ the initial investment is correct or wrong. That is, when we are giving some initial input or initial investment, we must get some beneficial output. If the value is negative, means the company is going forward loss. That should not be happen in an industry. അതായത് നമ്മളുടെ ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് കറക്റ്റാണോ റോങ് ആണോ എന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്ന ഒരു ടേമും കൂടിയാണ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് റേറ്റ്. പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി നമ്മളെ കമ്പനിയുടെ ഡിസിഷൻ, ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഡിസിഷൻ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. ലോസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ദർ ഷുഡ് ബി സം ചേഞ്ചസ്. ആൻഡ് ദർ ആർ ടു നമ്പേഴ്സ് needed for calculating rate of return or discount rate, that is current value and original value. Original value is nothing but the initial investment that we have already known, that we have purchased something, purchased some method or some equipment, that is the cost of product, that is the initial investment or original value, and we will definitely sell it with a profit. That is known as current value or current value of the item. And rate of return is nothing but it's a ratio as shown below, and you can see that rate of return is the value, that is current value minus original value divided by original value into 100%. By using this relation we can understand whether industry is in loss condition or in profit condition. We will go for a problem to understand whether that's happening in the industry, and it is a problem discussed in your K2 question paper, so be careful while doing this one. The initial cost required for purchasing a new equipment is 20,000 and it is expected to generate a total profit of 30,000 during next 5 years. Calculate the average rate of return. That is, by seeing the question itself you can understand what is initial investment. That is the original value of the component or equipment, that is 20,000, and total profit, the company is making 30,000 profit, means after 5 years our current value will be 20,000 plus 30,000, but they are asking about average rate of return. That means every year what we are getting, what is the rate of return we are getting. So first of all we will write the given data, that is original value and total profit after 5 years. So average profit per year will be 30,000 by 5, that is 6,000, and current value is the original value plus average profit, that is 26,000. That 20,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 26,000. And now we will go for calculation, and we have an equation for rate of return which is current value minus original value divided by original value into 100%. And substituting the value, that will be 26,000 minus 20,000 divided by 20,000 into 100%, which give average rate of return as 30%. It's a problem asked in our K2 question paper. Similarly, we will discuss another question. Let's say that 2002 you purchased a home for 20 lakhs, and in next few years home in your neighborhood have been selling well due to the new shopping plaza a couple of miles which away, which increased the market value of your home. So in 2007 you decided to downsize and sell your home. Based on the current market value during the time you were able to sell the home at 25 lakh. Using the formula, let us calculate the rate of return. It is asking rate of return, not average rate of return. That's the difference between average and rate of return. And by doing, first of all, we must write the given data, that is after 5 years, that is 2007, we are selling the product that at the cost of 25 lakh, and initial cost is 20 lakhs in 2002. So by using these two values we can find the rate of return, that is 25 lakh minus 20 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100%, which give a rate of return 25% after 5 years, that is between 2002 and 2007. This is for today, and thank you for watching my presentation. All the best.